As we are taking you throughout the rest of a Tuesday, we still will track at least a few more passing rain and or snow showers as we are getting closer to the midnight hour, and then again throughout your early Wednesday morning. Now, some of the coverage of these rain and snow showers, at least as we are getting closer to the midnight hour, going to be favoring more of our northern zones as we get right there towards midnight. If you're a little bit farther south, there still could be a few more dry hours in the mix as we are getting into early Wednesday morning, but temperatures and the winds are still going to be topics of discussion. We're chilly tonight again, 30s, even a few spots back below freezing, and the winds themselves still going to be on the breezy side, mainly coming in from the west. There it is towards getting out the door early Wednesday for your bus stops morning drive as we are starting it off, and even getting towards the lunch hour early afternoon. We still will be tracking the chance at least for some showers, more so in the way to be lake-induced showers because our wind direction by tomorrow afternoon going to be coming in more from the west-northwest. But I would suspect at least by tomorrow afternoon, temperatures were trending more towards the 40s, so it's probably going to be more rain versus the snow, but it's still going to be that chilly rain, even as we're getting into tomorrow afternoon. But even still, some of the higher terrain late tonight, and even as we're getting throughout the day on Wednesday, you still can't rule out a few wet flakes, but still with the numbers trending closer at least to some 40s tomorrow. Probably going to be trending more in the way of rain versus snow. But that's a look at the precipitation chances, at least throughout tomorrow. You still could have a few lingering showers early on near the eastern upper peninsula by the time we reach Thursday morning, but that's going to be it for the showers. We'll track temperatures, at least road temperatures for you early tomorrow. We still could get a few spots closer to the freezing mark. So if you're traveling early on in the morning, and we did have some of this from earlier this morning, black ice refreezing on the roadways. We see it time and time again this time of year, but always just things to keep in the back of your mind if you do travel early on. And elevated surfaces, bridges, overpasses, any elevation, freeway ramps, those are going to be more susceptible to freezing first. So just things to keep in mind as you're going throughout the next few mornings. Let's also go ahead and show you the winds. It has been a breezy day today. Wind direction has been coming more from the southwest. We'll take that direction a little bit more westerly as we get closer to the midnight hour. That's out the door for your Wednesday morning. And then by the time we do reach tomorrow afternoon, the direction of the wind's going to be a little bit more from the west-northwest. Gusts themselves, 20 to even near the lake shore, could have some of those numbers closer to 30 miles per hour. So still a little bit of rain, even a few wet flakes, and some breezy conditions are going to be your main takeaways as we go into the day on Wednesday. Out there right now, holding on to temperatures right near 40 degrees. Manistee right now at 40, but wind's still a little bit breezy, sustained from the west-southwest, 10 miles per hour. Here's where we'll take you past midnight tonight. A lot of us back into the 30s, but we still could get a few spots near, if not just below, the freezing mark. So that's going to be another reason why we're highlighting the chance, at least for a little bit of black ice as we go into your early Wednesday morning, especially elevated surfaces. Temperatures as we get into the day tomorrow, there's a look at it. Numbers are trending more towards the 40s, low to mid 40s. So I would suspect any showers we do see, especially into tomorrow afternoon, more so in the form of just some rain. Western level, your temperatures right here, very, very similar. We're still tracking more low to even a few mid 40s out there for you. Still going to be a breezy day. Winds coming in from the west-northwest, about 10 to 20 sustained. Sunrise side, your temperature's still right there, low to even some a few mid-40s right near the immediate lake shore getting into the afternoon. Even as we go into some of our central zones, I think the showers here are going to be a little bit more spotty. So probably a few more dry hours, but still temperatures getting into the day tomorrow, still featuring your fair share of some 40s as we go into your Wednesday afternoon. There it is into the next 7. Despite a shower chance for the UP early on Thursday, Adam, it's a mostly dry day into Friday. Could have a few showers. We'll watch that for you getting into the weekend for opening day Saturday morning.